Kireta, alafu unapanda hiyo.
Soba City, sema Soba Champions. Soba City, we are the Soba Champions. Miss Mary Morioki, the County Commissioner, Dr. Edison.
Kenyans must stand against illicit tobacco, and we are standing here primarily for the health of our people. Illicit tobacco is not just a regulatory issue. It is a threat to public health, it's a threat to our national security, and it's a threat to our youth, the future leaders of our country. Today we have destroyed 5.5 tons of seized products: shisha, gutka, flavored e-cigarettes, and more, which have been intercepted here at the Eldoret International Airport.
165,000 children of the ages between 10 and 17 are using tobacco and nicotine products. And again, many Kenyans are dying every year. About 12,000 people die every year out of nicotine and tobacco products.